Bad Axe Bourbon, good or bad? All right, peeps. It's been a minute since I did a good or bad. Here we go. Let's give it another shot. Let's get a little on the nose. Oh man, it's not looking good. It's not looking good. Oh my goodness. This is not, this actually smells like Scotch. Oh, it's malted at least. That's a little bit better, but I'm not looking forward to it. It's bad on the nose. All right, let's get a little bit on the palate, peeps. Just quit prolonging this.
Kick me in the Jimmy!
That has to be Scotch. That is a... Oh, that is like a vanilla Band-Aid. Oh, crap. Ah. Oh. Yeah. Let's give it one more sip just to make sure. Ah. No. It's bad. What is it? Oh. Yeah. Monkey shoulder. Monkey shoulder. Yeah, it's Scotch. It's the original blended malt Scotch whiskey. Batch 27, don't know that makes a difference. Monkey shoulder, I don't know if that's the right part of the monkey that tastes like, but I think it might be something the monkey excretes. That's what that tastes like. That is not good. So, monkey shoulder, the original blended malt Scotch whiskey, batch 27, it's bad.